I'm Rebecca Fleiser, one of the co-founders of Big Ideas, Inc. Big Ideas, Inc. mission is to promote the exploration of skilled trades. By allowing students to get out there and try skilled trades, we're finding that more students are having the opportunities to enter fields such as carpentry, welding, plumbing. This is our future of our communities. We know these jobs are in high demand with very few students going into these opportunities. When we look at some of our statistics, we know that carpenters and plumbers have some of the greatest job outlooks of the future, even more so than our lawyers or other four-year degree fields. And yet we're finding that not many students have been exposed to these trades at home. Our goal then is to offer these classes and give the students an opportunity to try it before they buy it. Just get exposed to some of these skilled trade classes. What we noticed was skilled trades paid well, required very little college debt, and yet we're not accepted as an alternative option for post-secondary education. So what we did is we came up with an idea, Big Ideas, and we've decided to run with it. Our goal is to bring pride back to the skilled trades and to make skilled trades an actual option, a viable option for students that are coming out of high school or for those individuals that are out of high school and looking for that real career instead of just a temporary job. So at Big Ideas, we've come up with a lot of different ways to engage students and communities in promoting our skilled trades. Our primary focus is working with community educations and other community groups to bring skilled trade classes back to the community level. Many high schools don't offer these skilled trade classes as an option or an opportunity for their high school students. So what we did at Big Ideas is work with communities to bring these classes to a nice, easy level for people to try before they buy. So what this means is students or post-secondary students and learners can come through their community ed and try different skilled trade classes, which are taught by skilled trade professionals and allow them to get their feet wet on a skilled trade. These classes are 2, 4, or 8-hour classes spread over 1, 2, or 4 nights. This way a student can try it, but not have to commit a full semester to this at the schools.
My name is Braden, I'm 18, and I sheetrock. Personally, I wanted to do it because it's nice to learn a new trade.
My name is Brianna Hoon. I am a welder. I have been welding for about 10 years. I got started on a dare. There's a lot of opportunities. There's a lot of different industries that involve metalwork and fabrication and welding. You've got agricultural, auto industry, structural welding, small fabrications, custom fabrications. There's multiple industries within that. Every day you learn something new. There's endless job opportunities all across the country. You can travel with it, you can stay local. The schooling, you can take just certificates, you can take a 2-year degree, you can go in further and get into the drafting of it. With welding, there's quite a range of pay, but the more experience you get, you can get into the high end. The more you know and the more certifications you gain, the more valuable you become. There are companies that offer on-the-job training where you can go in with no knowledge and they will teach you what you need for that specific job. I would say try it before making a big plunge. 10 years ago I started as a fill-in welder during a millwright job, and now I have worked on 4 builds that will be at the SEMA Auto Show. So it can really take you anywhere.
If you have interest in Big Ideas, feel free to reach out to us, check our website, or give us a call.